Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to the channel. Please go like, subscribe and follow the channel for new updates guys. Today I'm going to tell you about this coming week. I have laid the cards already. So the Empress, this was the main center energy. It came past. So I think the main energy of the week is maybe few of you are pregnant, maybe, you know fruitful in that way, and it shows healing for a few, and basically it's a divine feminine energy. So many of you are embracing it full-fledgedly. A very abundant flourished Venus energy is that beautiful feminine energy. So maybe if you are investing in luxurious things or going into new relationships, uh worried about your aesthetics, and yeah, relaxing and self-care energy, lot of, it shows very healing energy, but you're being very submissive here, because Empress energy is very motherly, that kind of energy. So it shows submissiveness for others around you, very caring and nurturing, that kind of energy is that. So that's the main card of the week. After that, we got our Queen of Wands. So I think here many are very ambitious and determined in their career, from the career viewpoint, and you are in your full energy, like you're ready for whatever the challenges are coming your way. You're holding your wand firmly, and looking for, okay, bring me on that competition, okay, come, I inhabit in a full-fledged way. uh, you're manifesting that great things, your ambitions, and maybe in your career, and little also it shows little impatient energy. Yeah, like, okay, bring it on, bring it to me, I'll see to it. And you're like, in currently you're not procrastinating anything, you're very well up for it. Okay, like, I'll just go all out and do whatever I feel in fully energetically, and you're very assured, like self assurance is there. Mm, but this somewhere also shows in negative way, because you are being overconfident, or you are ego driven energy is here, and very independent kind of way in your thinking, like, okay, I'll do it all on my own, I'm up for any kind of challenge. And it's basically for the man or woman of action and not of words. So you don't no more believe in words, you just need action, and you're up for it. You're like, okay, I'll just act as I believe and as I feel. That kind of an energy, very good energy in a career perspective. Your professional front, which is very good energy here. Also, you're manifesting good things. This is also very positive cards are here. And next we'll go for this knight of nine of swords, I think. Now this looks kind of worried and exhausted, and sleepless nights and overthinking, uh, energy, like, maybe in you have so much of stress. Okay, this work, all kinds of things are they're making you worried, and you're not able to sleep. You're very much in your head overthinking, or maybe you have impacted by negative emotions around you. People may be telling something, and you're taking it to your head, and not able to sleep. Anxiety, insomnia, and depressed kind of feeling. So if you think about all those things, so then ultimately it's gonna come affirmatively out, because what we think we become. No, it's like that. So don't be paranoid about it, and don't overthink, and you need healing. Yeah, just go out or ground yourself, and just go out walking, and you need guidance and healing and this state. And this is a mental uh, stress you have, and or you could be some of yourself doubting. Okay, should I do this or not? Or maybe it's if people are talking around you or behind you, you're taking it all negatively, even if you don't know what they're talking about behind your back. So just come out of your head, be realistic, be in the present moment. Don't overanalyze or overthink anything. Spend time in nature is the best thing to do right now. Go out for jog, or hug the trees, ground yourself, be in the nature, or sit near any spring or water kind of things. you know uh, be in the nature, be in the present. Don't imagine things on your own. So take a rest, take a back, uh, stay grounded. If you are in trouble or need some guidance, ask your best friends, your friends, those well wishers who give you good advices in this kind of situations. So yeah, that's energy for some of you. Now next card we have the Three of Pentacles is here. So it basically shows you're collaborating on new projects, or you're see mm, dealings and new deals. You're signing up new deals. It's about money. So it's mainly collaborating with partnership. You're doing partnership. You're very much dedicated to your career, and you are definitely getting money out of it if you are doing partnership. And it will kick you, for it give you further kick towards your goals and ambition, whatever you are planning or thinking of doing. Or you may be, some of you are learning new skills, and so if you have some hobbies or that kind of thing, so you're learning about all those things, and you are thinking of monetizing it in some way. And maybe it also shows you are making new relations in good like valuable connections, which will help you financially in the coming days. So it's mainly about business, all kind of work things, business, finances, and that kind of thing. And if like it's like it shows hard work, and that you are working hard on it, like you're giving it to your all. You're very much serious about it. So you're learning, studying the things and applying it in practical way. This is pentacle is this is earth energy. So you're very much grounded. It's not like it's in your head some ideas there, but you are making it so much, implementing it in a practical, very practical way, and you're serious about it, working on it. So it shows your teamwork. Just give it to your all if you are in that energy. So that's very good energy out here for few. So, see here, all are very good cards. Uh, see, all cards are very positive for this week. Okay, so that's for that. And so now next, see, we have so much of wands energy here, continuously wands are here. So, firstly, let's see what the Seven of Wands is here. So, it shows okay, it's time to stand your ground. Don't be subdued by things or people around you. Just stand your ground, fight for whatever opinions you keep. It's not like, okay, I have this opinion, okay, I'm sitting on my chair and I have this opinion, that's it. No, not that's not it. Just stand your ground, fight for what you think is right. There is a lot of competition around you, so you should stand your ground. You should speak out what you think. Don't be subdued by others opinion or pressure. Don't be pressurized here. If you're not comfortable with anything, just stand up and speak out about it. Be courageous, and s- whatever beliefs you hold, just uh, come up and speak about what you think is right. Don't nod your head whatever someone else is saying. Just speak what you think is right and make others hear you. What you think, what are your personal opinions about anything. It could be in your career, workplace, or anything in your work thing. I basic anything, this is for your workplace. So don't be anxious about the challenges or the responsibilities you are getting. Maybe you could be getting responsibilities at your workplace, but you're being ignorant of it, or like maybe you're uh, what the word I'm not getting. You're underestimating yourself basically. So don't be in that energy. Don't criticize. Self criticism is not the thing to do right now, and just it could be you're getting a lot of work at one time. So just do multitask. It's that this is your opportunity to show everyone what the capabilities you hold, what you can do. You can multitask. You can do anything if you want to. So that's the energy here. Then next, we have the five of Wands. See, whenever the five comes, it's basically the card. Major changes are coming ahead, and very conflicting energy. When five is here, see, you can just see here, everyone is fighting their point out. Uh, Conflicting energies here. So it could be competition in your work. Basically, the one energy when we see here, it's all about workplace conflicts. See here, it is also showing, and this is basically career related, your workplace related card. You're not focusing on your work. You are very much distracted, or you are indulging yourself in arguments, some of you, and fights, and mm, everyone is not working like in not a teamwork. It's not a good card. So if some of you are dealing in something, some kind of projects and also, just do a teamwork. Don't indulge in conflicts and gossips. uh that's the like so much of drama going on around you, and you are very much investing in that thing. So don't indulge in all those things. Just do your work, uh stay your ground, and although a lot of tension and conflicting energies or disagreement could be there, but uh, it could be like the world's energy also right now currently. See, if you see it globally also, it makes very much sense. No one is listening to no one. It's like if we go to go for the USA in, and Mr. Trump is saying in something, Turkey is saying something, India is saying something, another country, the neighboring country is saying something. This card is we can take as a in global perspective also. No one is listening to nobody. You know, don't need your opinions. Everyone is saying like, I know what to do, and don't preach us what we should do. So because everyone is fighting their own battles, so no one is listening to no one. So that's a very conflicting energy here. Okay. So these two cards are should be, you should worry about these three cards here. Other than the other cards are very good and positive cards. Now again, see a lot of wand energy is here. Now this Ace of Wands is very much this out there kind of person. So very extroverted energy, and this is good card. You are beginning new things and moving forward with a lot of enthusiasm and excitement. You have joy, and maybe you're growing at this point. The new things you are planning, you're manifesting, you're going on with it, you're growing with it. Like there's pace in that, good pace, and it's also very good in financial things. If your funds are stuck somewhere, so it would move forward in a good way. uh New hobbies, you can develop new passions in this week, maybe some of you. So there's a lot of create, if you are thinking of doing something creative, many of you are if you're developing new skills or hobbies, so it's a very good card for that. Go ahead for that this week. And it's time to do take action, and just not just plan. Just stand up and take action for whatever you feel like learning, or learning, and you know getting knowledge of new things and new hobbies, developing new things. So yeah, go ahead. It's a thumbs up for that. So take whoever resonates with this. Okay. And then the page of swords is here. See, two swords are here. So this is very you know that kind of energy, that you are not focusing on your work. You are looking, see, this person is looking, holding his sword but looking apart, like is very much invested in what others are saying. It may be in gossips, some kind of gossips around, going around few of you, or you're um, you know the person, a very clever person is like, okay, I'm doing my work also. It could be like that. Okay, I'm doing my work, I am holding my sword, I'm doing my, but also I'm listening, and paying attention to other things also, what going around, maybe in my workplace or wherever I am. So a lot of gossips going around, and or you maybe someone is spying on you, or you're spying on someone. Okay. So uh, basically mostly it's like someone is spying on you. So just always, and so but this person is very very much aware of his environment, what is going on around him, and just don't indulge in those gossipy spy energy, and don't indulge in any kind of context. um don't judge anyone else, just focus on what you are holding, what work you have in your hands, and don't focus on whatever going around. So yeah, So guys, that's the energy for the week. Take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. I think mostly there's a mix of energy, and we have Meja Arcana here, very good cards are here. And so yeah, that's it for this week. Please comment down, and if you like the reading, please like the video and subscribe for the channel. And okay, we'll just meet next time. Then until then, bye bye, take care, namaste.